G'day guys, down on the truck here, another episode. Working again on Saturday, very light run, which is very nice. Washed the truck for 1 hour, scrap the grease and dirt from it. Went to refuel. Next time I will show you out the way we refuel as well. Not big deal, that's nice. You meet nice truckers as well, some truck stops. Just met one. I wish I had a camera rolling. He showed me the inside of his truck. He had the Road Ranger 18 speeds. Give me some tips as well for later on in the career if I want to drive a road train, what to do. Good thing is a shortage of drivers apparently all around. Apparently, young guys don't want to be drivers anymore. Lack of sense of adventure, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, start rolling, going around a bit of city. We're currently at the fish market, and yeah, just let's do it. This stuff here, rolling. So hopefully you guys see these. You don't have the chance to watch my videos because I'm so busy, and I hope the angle will be alright. Otherwise, a whole bunch of videos will have to be thrown away. Hope this is okay. Let's do it. No, forgot these one. Do it. Last weekend I was on duty as well, and my partner came with me and she helped me washing the truck, but I didn't bring the camera because it was the first time I did that run, that I'm doing this run on Saturday, so I just wanted to concentrate and don't screw up, especially in tight spots where there are overhead power lines. I just wanted to focus on the strategy to take, to maneuvers, and that's it. But next time hopefully she'll come with me. Today she's busy, she's doing on this weekend, she's taking her motorbike license course. She become biker, so we'll can cruise together. Hopefully get some nice alleys. But I reckon she's more into sport bikes. So let's see where we're going now. I don't know, take right or left. I get right, left. Yeah. Come on! Power! 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 More power! Reminds me of a movie. 1980s movie. The sequel is about to come out. Supposed to come out last year, but due to COVID, it's been delayed. A love letter to aviation. Won't tell you the title. So anyway, yeah, last weekend she came with me. It was nice. We had brekkie together, sunrise. Found a nice spot on the hills nearby a job. Yeah, it was good fun. And she's so supportive and so lovely. She doesn't demand much at all. I just love her with all my heart. And I don't know what we'll do if something will happen to her. Really. Been so blessed to have met her. It means so much to have someone supporting your life, and that you truly love each other and share the same values. That's very important, sharing the same values. Today I'm gonna try this entrance. It's a brand new lot, this one, and it doesn't appear even on the GPS yet. It's not been updated, so I guess we'll be I think the GPS gets updated every 6 months. I have to take this SD card out from the screen and put on the computer, on the laptop, go on the website and update. It's so useful. So this is brand new Mecca. Ha! Nice and bright. Should go on driving. What do you reckon, guys? Should we go in with it? You say, g'day mate, I'd like to have a double quarter pounder. Yum yum, getting hungry. Right, stand by. Preparing. So I got two SD cards because I got two. Last one was a 64 gigabyte, pretty full, and this one is a 32 gigabyte. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna record around the city, then we're gonna go on the hills, and then yeah, record the city. Once we get out of the city, I'm gonna switch it off, change the SD card, and charge the battery as well. Hey, g'day man, how are you?
Good.
You alright? Yeah,
Not just you today.
yeah, just me. My missus, she's doing the motorbike license course this weekend.
Alright.
So yeah,
Yeah.
she'll become a biker as well. So hopefully we'll cruise together. Yeah, she's busy now, full on.
Good.
But yeah, course, because
Like,
now.
600,000 cc's. What's capacity?
Oh yeah, the beginning for learners, max 650 cc. Yeah, and it's restricted with the power. They put that restriction as well. But it's good fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love riding. Yeah.
Hey, they found the car keys a couple of weeks ago. It's someone like put their car keys into the McDonald's leftover bag.
Okay.
So unfortunately they put it in the bin, so I emptied it. And you pick it up that same day.
Oh yeah.
And they tried to ring the company, but I said,
Oh man.
mate,
Impossible.
You know what's gonna happen when it get into that truck? So fucking pack into the fucking square box.
Yeah.
And everything's smashed.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Sorry, man, like another $500 for you.
Far out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like he trying to give me shit to you. I said, there's no point to giving him this shit.
Yeah.
He's doing his job.
Yeah.
Like, you do a stupid piece, man, and we can't help it.
Yeah. Well, you know,
Like,
it's
he's banging into the door.
really. But that's his responsibility. He lost the keys,
trying
mate.
to get your numbers, like the bin company said,
Yeah.
well, of course, it's just this number.
He should own the responsibility. I mean, if I forget the key somewhere, it's my fuck up, right? When?
You need to pick the rubbish.
Yeah, bloody hell. Far out. Well, they're probably laying keys. The keys are, yeah, some, like you said, they're probably squashed and they're in somewhere in the big landfill somewhere, you know, or recycling, or the new metal. Yeah. Ah.
Yeah, well, enjoy.
Cheers, mate. Thanks. See you next time. All right. Have a good rest. Like, cheers. Actually, let me bring them all out. You watch the truck. Looks brand new. I like these beans. These beans are nice and easy. Nice and easy, yeah. Really nice and easy. So we line them up. Nice and easy, nice and light. Even if they're full, they're not heavy. Wheels are made of rubber, so they're really, compared to the metal ones, nice and light. They roll much easier. Ooh, fresh outside, 16 degrees.